Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to search for messages on Telegram desktop. If you have many conversations and messages in your Telegram account, finding a specific message manually can take a lot of time. Fortunately, Telegram includes a powerful search feature that allows you to quickly find messages, conversations, files, and other information. So let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once Telegram is open, look at the top of the window and find the search bar. Click on the search bar and type the word or phrase that you want to find. For example, you can search for a specific word, a topic, or a phrase that was used in a previous conversation. As you type, Telegram will display matching search results. Click on any result to open the message. Telegram will take you directly to the location of that message in the conversation. This makes it much easier to find older messages without scrolling through the entire chat history. You can also search for messages inside a specific chat. To do this, open the conversation where you want to search. Then, click the search icon or use the search option available inside the chat. Now, enter the word or phrase that you want to find. Telegram will show the matching messages from that specific conversation. If there are many results, you can move between them using the available navigation options. You can also use search filters to make your search more specific. Depending on your Telegram version, you may be able to filter results by date, chat, or sender. These filters can be very helpful when you are looking for an older message or a message from a specific person. For example, instead of searching through every conversation, you can search inside a specific chat. This can save a lot of time. Telegram search can also help you find other types of content, including shared files, photos, videos, and links. Simply enter a relevant keyword and review the available results. And that's how you can search for messages on Telegram desktop. The search feature is a quick and convenient way to find important information in your conversations. I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Telegram tutorials and technology guides.